Introducing the Gator GHDVR75R, the perfect dashcam solution for recording in front and inside the vehicle. Recording in 1080p full high definition both in the front and inside the cabin simultaneously, the GHDVR75R will capture high quality footage day and night. With a 140-degree forward-facing camera and a 146-degree rear-facing camera housed within the dashcam body, the field of view captured by the camera is exceptional. The in-cabin camera will work in complete darkness, featuring 4 infrared LED lights combined with the high-quality image sensor. The camera will switch to black and white mode in low-light conditions to produce clear vision from within the vehicle. While driving, the GHDVR75R will record in a continuous loop, overriding old files with new files to ensure you'll never run out of space. If an incident is detected by the built-in G sensor, the dashcam will automatically protect this file from being overwritten, so the footage can be safely retrieved at a later date. No need to worry when you park your vehicle either. The dashcam has a park mode that will record for 15 seconds when an impact is detected while the vehicle is parked. The built-in 2-inch display provides easy access to the dashcam settings and allows you to conveniently play back recorded videos. It also has a built-in microphone that will record audio within the vehicle cabin and immediate surrounds. The GHDVR75R is easy to use and comes with everything you need to get started. It comes with a suction mounting bracket, 12 and 24 volt in-car power adapter, a 16 gig micro SD card, and an instruction manual. To find out more details on this model or to check our complete dashcam range, please visit our website.